Hi, this is Yesenia from McCool's Creations. We wanted to do a video to show you how to install your McCool's Creations vanity mirror. So when you purchase a mirror from us, you will receive a little packet like this. It'll have 2 brackets and 4 screws. Or sometimes one of the brackets will already be in the mirror. You will just need to screw in the long screw into the wall. So Jeremy's going to go ahead and install one of our brackets here. And the small screw goes into the mirror. And that's it. You want to make sure that your vanity mirror is nice and secure so that nothing falls on you.